Now that you're at the shampoo bowl, take time to rinse the product thoroughly out of the hair. Using an after-color treatment like Well as Service, fully saturate the hair, focusing on the teased sections. With the product in the hair, carefully detangle the backcombed areas, section by section, starting from the nape up. Return your client to the basin and pre-tone the hair with a violet shampoo. Saturate all the highlighted hair fully and leave on for 3 to 10 minutes, then rinse out completely. Do not condition. With your client in a seated position, on towel-dried hair, section the hair from the high point of the head to the center nape. Begin application of the demi-permanent root shadow in a vertical manner, making sure to cover the line of demarcation. Take small vertical sections in a pivoting radial motion and continue applying product. Gently comb through to blend the product into the line of demarcation. Every few sections, comb through the first few inches to blend. Notice that we are only painting the hair back toward the nape parting. This prevents unwanted product from getting on the tail of the comb when sectioning. Once you reach the halfway point, just behind the ear, take small vertical sections and continue applying product until just before you reach the hairline. Stop about ½ an inch from the hairline and move to the other side of the head. Repeat the pattern, taking vertical sections and moving toward the hairline. Again, every few sections, comb to blend. Taking vertical sections toward the hairline gives us the ability to lessen the faux shadow we create at the root to ensure our look has a bright face framing feature. Be sure to leave out the hairline on both sides. Allow product to process for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, then return your client to the basin. Apply toning formula 2 from mids to ends, as well as to the hairline. Saturate the hair fully and gently smudge the root formula into the toning formula 2 to ensure a seamless blend. Check the processing often to avoid overtoning and unwanted results. Allow to process according to manufacturer's instructions. Up next, styling and finishing.